Well, the National Weather Service confirms a tornado has left a trail of destruction in Crawford County, Illinois, that borders Indiana. At least one person was trapped at homes as homes were damaged, and officials say 12 to 15 buildings were damaged, including homes and a trailer. An elderly woman was injured and taken to the hospital.
We could see the funnel cloud coming, and I mean, within just seconds, like it just hit. The house shook. We lost the roof up of our workshop, stuff out back. We have two houses that are south of us. There was a trailer that was overturned with the lady that was trapped in it.
The sheriff's office says that there are no reports of fatalities at this point.